welcome to the video. Just picked up a new product from Screwfix. It's a 3-piece demolition set by Magnusson. We're going to open it up and have a look at them individually. I'm going to do one at a time and talk you through them. Reason I've gone for a set of 3 is because it just works out a little bit cheaper than buying them all individually basically. Not much. We'll go through the prices in a minute. Right, so to start off with, 14-inch wrecking bar. You can get bigger, like I say, but for me this would do. It's got a nice bit of weight to it. That's basically all I wanted, but I thought I'd get the set. It just works out a little bit cheaper. Then we've also got a 15-inch utility bar, and to be fair, I think that's going to come in handy for me because I bought these mainly to try and take apart some pallets and save the wood as much as possible. And then lastly, we have the little 8-inch pry bar. They've all got a nice bit of weight to them. So individually, we'll go through the prices. The set itself was $18.99. Buying them individually, your pry bar is going to cost you $7.99. So that's your most expensive one to buy on its own, surprisingly. Your 15-inch utility bar, you're looking at about £5.50 for that one. And then your wrecking bar, 14-inch wrecking bar, $6.99. So they add up to nearly £20.50. So you're not saving a fortune, but I think they're going to come in handy. So I thought I'd just get all 3. For me, they're ideal to have in the house or just in your toolbox. They're always going to get used, and you've got them then, haven't you, for life. Sometimes you need more than one on the same job as well, so it's handy just to have them. Hope this video's helped, hope you liked it. Let me know what you think. Any questions, pop it in the comments and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching.